How to use a One4All gift card on Amazon. So here's how you do it. First, I will add something into my cart. So I'm just going to go into the toy section and let's purchase this. Add this to cart. Now we will click on our cart and you want to go into proceed to checkout. I'll just pause so you don't see my address. Okay, so from here, what we need to do is go into the payment method and you will just click on add credit or debit card. The One4All gift card should act as a debit card. So here you will just input the card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, as well as the CVV or CVC code, which is the 3-digit code on the back of the card. After you fill out this information, click on add your card and you can use this payment method to purchase your items. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.